to him as well as you could talk to many human beings. And much better than you could talk to Salt. He'd sit down, look you straight in the eye, and when he understood what you were saying, he'd turn his head sideways. I watched Skip grow from the puppy who came to me from a farm in Missouri into a sleek and dexterous, affectionate dog. Skip became a true member of the family. We played games together and did household chores. Even my father had to admit, Skip was an exceptional dog.